Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc0020036 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. If this doesn't help, then you can consider resetting Windows Update components. We have a list of commands for you. Copy these commands. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Paste these commands here and hit enter. So this is how you can work on this. This will reset all Windows Update components and clear the cache. So most probably it will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.